when we get to our valley, inside corner on your starter strip, make sure I got at least one fold inside here. And then we can see you're going to notch my starter strip here, and then they'll just fit together to create that nice tight inside corner. So once we get that on and our ice and water over the top, then we can come back with our 5D valley. So you got a couple options here. You can go ahead and just use the valley. It comes in black and brown. And then we can go ahead and extend a minimum 3/4 inch past my starter strip. Then we can fasten with our washer and screws every 2 feet on the outsides of the valley. Now, if you don't want to see this colored painted metal with the ribs, then we can go ahead and come back and use what we call a valley extension. We make this out of our flat stock. You can see I can go ahead and put a fold on it to hook that starter strip. And then we can go ahead and put this down, hook my starter strip, come back with my caulking, do a couple layers there. And then we can go ahead and bring our 5D valley over the top. Bring that down just shy, so now my panels will cover all that painted metal. And then we go ahead and take that washer screw, and we're going to do that every 2 feet going up the roof on the outside here.